Hi guys, welcome back to Sleeza. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some glam home decor items, and they can be used on a vanity or either on a nightstand. But anyway, what you'll need the bulk rhinestone embellishment packet. This is antique bronze. It's from Totally Dazzled. I also have some gold bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this floral diamond wrap from Efavormart. And I have some of these teardrop pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you'll need a picture frame. If you can find one in silver, go ahead and use that, or gold, whatever color you like, but I'm going to be painting this one silver. Also from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 of these little gift boxes, and they're really popular around the holidays. This one has a snowflake motif on it, so I'm going to be using the gold bling wrap to cover this. But you could also use some of their foil paper from Dollar Tree, like this is in pink. It comes in a multicolored pack, so it comes in pink, blue would be really pretty for spring or Easter. Like that, and then it comes in silver and gold as well, so you could wrap any of these little boxes with some of that foil paper to get whatever color you like. But you will need 2 boxes. Let's see. And then I have here from Walmart some craft paint in silver and some peel and stick gemstones, which I may or may not be using. They're also from Walmart, but you can find peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I decide to use any additional items, I will have them listed in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. But anyway, these are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. I did make a few adjustments and changes. I did decide to go with the silver rhinestone bulk embellishment packet from Totally Dazzled instead of going with the antique bronze, but you could certainly use the antique bronze. Either way, I'll have both of them linked in the description box below. And then as far as the picture frame goes, I decided to add some pearls to the picture frame, so I'll have those linked in the description box below. The pearls are from Efavormart, and they're very versatile. You could use this box as just a decor box, a storage box, but you could also do it as a floral box as well. And you can use these pieces on your vanity or either on your bedside tables. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.